Okay po, I will teach you how to use the app I'm using for my intros as requested by, shout out to Mr. JP Hoops and to other subscribers. Thank you, please subscribe. So we are going to use modded Kinemaster. So I don't have any money to buy for the licensed one, so here's the sample I'm using for my everyday video entries. Okay, that's it. So now we are going to do it from scratch. So let's go from empty project, then we will go to media, then we will select background. Now we select for black, so for the effect it is much better. Okay, so we use it up to, I want it to up to 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, so this is commonly used for intros. So okay, let's select that. Now we will then select layer to add text for our intro. I will use my own channel. Homemade tech. So we are going to select fonts. So to make it just like the sample, we'll use capture it. Okay. So they are just the same. Okay, then I'm gonna bring this to the start. So from the start, you don't want it moving, so don't apply any animation to it. So select again the name, then we will duplicate it. As you can see, we duplicated it there, here. There you go, the duplicate of the. Okay, so once we move it, so as you can see, it's a double. There's the duplicate. So we're going to select the one at the back. So I want it to change color. I want it red. I want it red. Then for the back, I want it, let's see, white. Oh, it's better white or gray to have a cinematic effect. So now we have the two texts with the different color. Select one for the animation. For its animation, overall animation, you select blink if that's what you want, or flicker. The one I'm using is flicker because it gives cinematic and very beautiful animation, just like in the horror movies. Then select the other one, overall flicker, to make a light effect. So now we selected both of them. We give colors to both of them. Now I'm gonna select the other one, the white one, red and white. Okay. Okay, bring into front, bring this. Okay, okay. Now so as you can see the effect, so it has a beautiful effect. So we want this up to the end of the slide to play. So select it up to the end. Okay, okay, up to the end. Okay. As you can see, the white one is starting to move. Okay. Okay, I got both of them. So okay, just make sure they are in line in the background. You do not want the slide to finish starting with the background being getting off. So as you can see, it's flickering now. Now we will give effect on it to it. At first you don't want this moving, so split. We will split it. Okay, then okay, the other one also split at playhead. Okay, so at first 8 seconds or 10 seconds you don't want it moving to see the real text. So we will select overall animation, we will put it to none, then overall animation of the red one, we will put it to none. So okay, let's play this using this preview. So it's not moving yet, then it will start to move. Okay, okay, okay. Now there's one thing that is missing. To give life to it, we will add audio. Now I have this non-copyrighted audios to use. So no. Okay, this one I will use the same one I used to my intro videos. Okay, let's play. Watch this. We will edit. We will adjust this up to the point in which the beat changes. Another one. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. So you can use any photos, any text you like, and any. So you can use any animations you like. So let's experiment. I will use blinking on this first text, blink. Okay, then to the other. Overall animation, blink. Okay, so that it will give an effect at first. Okay. 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 We will adjust the other one. In here to make it look more in 3D. Okay, that's it. How simple is it? So let's save it. Then we have to title it intro for all. Intro tutorial. So save it, the gallery. We want it as high as possible, but we will do. Okay. Now we'll go to the galleries and videos. There you are. Then we will play for it.